So just what is an appropriate initial order? Well, what do you want? You see, determining an appropriate initial order is based upon what you want. It's not based upon what I want. It's not based upon what your sponsor wants. An appropriate initial order, if you have large goals and a fairly comfortable financial situation, you should buy an All-Star Pack. I can just say that plain and simple. The vast majority of people that I've recruited in recent days, since the All-Star Pack became made available, they have acquired the All-Star Pack. It's eminently replicatable. It gives one a nice selection, a nice cross-section of the company's products to use. It gives us products to sell to other people, and it gives us an ample supply of products to sample to others. And when you join the business with an All-Star Pack, when your next enrollee arrives at his or her point of logical conclusion, what will they say? What did you do will be the question. And if your response is, well, based on my goals, financial circumstance, and my plans for the future, an All-Star Pack was appropriate for me, if that's what you say, then there'll be many who do likewise, and your business will then have that kind of a multiplier on it, and that'll create the largest incomes most quickly for the most people. For that reason, that would be an appropriate initial order if that is financially appropriate for you. If that entry fee to the business is a little too great for you and your family at this moment in time, then the fallback position is what? It is the starter pack. And that's a fantastic starting option for those for whom an All-Star Pack might be a little bit of a stretch. And what's the next position? The next position is the consumer pack. And that's principally for those people who are using the products as part of an ongoing decision-making process. Shall I join the business or shall I not? Acquire the consumer pack, use the products, have the experiences I've had. The answer will be clearly and resoundingly and absolutely yes. So what is an appropriate initial order? It is an order that considers your goal, your financial circumstance, your willingness to work, what kind of a multiplier do you want your business to look like, and proper duplicating strategies and processes. For the vast majority of people I enroll, it's an All-Star Pack. That's what makes sense. For some, it's a starter pack. That's what makes sense. And for some, it's a consumer pack. What makes sense to you? What's appropriate for you? That's what determines an appropriate initial order.